Hello, it's Thursday, June the 3rd, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar was stable against most majors after US pending home sales came out better than expected, leading investors to buy more US assets. Pending home sales came out at 6% versus 4.9% forecast. Crude rose by 1.2%, closing at $73.40 a barrel. But gold weakened by 0.4% to close at $1,222 an ounce. The euro closed almost unchanged after weakening against the dollar. The euro-dollar has been trading downward since April and has broken its support levels each time. Momentum, therefore, is clearly bearish. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 121.75 and a high of 122.73. Today, retail sales are expected at 0.1% versus 0.0% prior. The pound mixed against the dollar but touched a 3-week high after UK mortgage approvals rose to a 4-month high in April. The pound dollar has been trading upwards since last week. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 145.53 and a high of 147.70. The yen dropped the most versus the dollar in more than 3 weeks and fell against most majors after Prime Minister Hatayama resigned, fueling concern that Japan's new leadership will pursue policies that may weaken it further. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 91.02 and a high of 92.35. The Canadian dollar advanced to its strongest level in more than 2 weeks versus the dollar as gains in stocks and crude oil, the nation's largest export, spurred demand for assets linked to economic growth. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 103.72 and a high of 105.72. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.